Hello, and welcome to G Fun Facts Online. Let's be honest, who actually enjoys getting a shot? The anticipation, the pinch. What if I told you that the entire uncomfortable ritual of injections could soon become a thing of the past? Imagine getting your next vaccine by just applying a patch, like a tiny, high-tech bandage. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the incredible reality of microneedle vaccine patches, and they are set to completely change medicine as we know it. So what is this magic patch? From the outside, it looks like a simple square of adhesive, but on the inside surface, it's a masterpiece of microengineering. It's covered in an array of microscopic needles, each one far thinner than a single human hair and less than a millimeter long. They're so short, they only penetrate the very top layer of your skin, a layer that doesn't have nerves or blood vessels. That's the secret to why it's completely painless. Engineers have come up with several clever designs. Some patches use solid needles to create tiny, invisible pores for the vaccine to seep through. Others have the vaccine coated directly onto the needles, which dissolves once applied. And my personal favorite, dissolving microneedles. Here, the needles themselves are made of a biodegradable, sugar-like material, with the vaccine packed inside. You put on the patch, the needles dissolve into your skin, delivering the medicine and leaving nothing behind. No sharp waste, no fuss. But being painless is just the beginning. This technology is also smarter. When you get a traditional shot, the vaccine goes deep into your muscle. Microneedle patches, however, deliver the vaccine right into the skin's upper layers. And guess what? That area is jam-packed with specialized immune cells, the first responders of your body. By delivering the vaccine directly to these cells, we can trigger a more efficient and powerful immune response. In fact, studies show we might be able to get the same or even better protection using a smaller dose of the vaccine. This is huge, especially during a pandemic when supplies might be limited. And there's more! Think about the biggest hurdles to vaccination. The fear of needles? Gone. The need to visit a clinic and have a trained professional give you the shot? These patches are so simple, you could eventually apply them yourself at home. And what about refrigeration? Many of these new patch-based vaccines are being designed to be stable at room temperature. This completely eliminates the need for the expensive and complicated cold chain of storage, making it a game-changer for delivering vaccines to remote communities all over the world. Okay, this all sounds amazing, so where are they? Well, this is still a new technology. We have tons of promising results from lab studies, and several companies are already in human clinical trials for patches that deliver vaccines for the flu, COVID-19, measles, and polio. For example, a trial for a flu vaccine patch showed it was safe and actually produced a stronger immune response with a smaller dose than a regular shot. The main challenges now are figuring out how to mass-produce these intricate patches cheaply and consistently, and getting them through the strict safety and approval processes of agencies like the FDA. It's a long road, but the progress is incredibly exciting. So, while you might not be picking up a vaccine patch at your pharmacy tomorrow, the future is incredibly bright. The microneedle patch isn't just about avoiding a little prick from a needle. It's about creating a more effective, accessible, and equitable system of medicine for everyone. It's a tiny patch with the potential for a giant leap forward in global health. Thanks for tuning in to G Fun Facts Online.